Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings application, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then choose Reset. And here, Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and basically all user data. If you have anything that you would like to back up of this sort, make a copy of it before you go any further. And assuming you have already made a copy or you just don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Reset Phone. If you have a screen lock, to confirm it. It gives you an option to back up your data right here, but this will be done to the Honor cloud. So if you're backing it up with the hope of restoring this backup on your new phone that is some other brand than Honor, you won't have access to it. So I'm just warning you straight away, this might not be a good backup solution. I would primarily recommend always doing that to your computer, as that means that your data is kept locally on your own hardware. It's not being gate kept from you by some arbitrary BS reasons because, oh no, you backed up to our cloud, so you only can restore on our devices. If you do it yourself, you can restore it on any phone, anytime you want. And most importantly, your data isn't being kept on not your computer. So anyway, I'm gonna select Reset now. And this will now begin factory resetting the device, which will take probably up to 2 minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished. And just first pop out the SIM card. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.